morning, student. Welcome to the Candidate online classes. I am your English teacher. Today we discuss English reader. What? English reader. Chapter 4 exercise. Chapter 4 exercise. Okay. We do some question answer. And chapter name is My Friend Somu. What? My Friend Somu. Okay. So first you open your book, English reader book and English copy, and then you have to see the blackboard and write all the question answer positively. Do not leave any words. Write all the numbers in your copy. Okay. So let's start and see the blackboard. Okay, student. Just you have to see. Take the correct answer. Okay. Here the some sentence you have to first read and understand the sentence. Take the correct answer. Okay. Then three options is here: A, B, and C. Okay. So first number, where did Somu's mother bring the plant from? Where did Somu's mother bring the plant? सोमू का माँ जो है प्लांट के लिए ठीक A garden, B nursery, C orchard. Okay, just you think and give the answer. So A garden, B nursery, C orchard. So B is the right answer. So B, we have to tick B number nursery. So what number answer is B nursery. Okay. Then 2 number, how many years have passed since the plant came from the nursery? कितने साल बाद जो है प्लांट्स जो है नर्सरी में रहा, ठीक है? How many years have passed since the plant came from the nursery? A 3 years, B 8 years, C 1 year. Which is the right answer? Just think how many years have passed this plant came from the nursery. 3 years, 8 years, or 1 year. Which is the right answer? Just you see. So 3 years. Okay. 3 years passed since the plant came from the nursery. Okay. So A number you have to tick A number 3 years. Okay. 1 number completed. 1 number answer is B nursery, and 2 number completed. The answer is A 3 years. Okay. So write this one. Then you have to do and this number. See the blackboard. Okay. Okay. See the blackboard. Take the correct answer. 3 number. What will the little plant grow up to become? Okay. A mango tree. B banana tree. C rose plant. So choose 3 options. A, B, C. A mango tree, B banana tree, C rose plant. So just you have to take A mango tree. What? A mango tree. You have to take A number. Then number 4. What do some never forget to do? What do some never forget to do? Talk to the plant. Play with the plant. Water the plant. Okay. First number, talk to the plant. B number, play with the plant. C number, water the plant. So fourth number you have to just think and give the answer. What is the right? Which is the right? Talk to the plant. Play with the plant. Water the plant. So C number is the right. Okay. Water the plant. Okay. What do some never forget to do? Water the plant. Third number, what will the little plant grow up to become? A mango tree. Okay. 3 number and 4 number completed. Just you have to write and write and this number see the blackboard. Okay, see the blackboard. 5 number. What will be enjoy for the plant? A number to see birds making a nest. B number to see Somu's plant. C number to see Somu is ripe and juicy mangoes. Which is the right answer? Just you think. Okay. So what will be enjoyed for the plant? To see birds making a nest. To see B number to see Somu plant to see Somu, please write and juicy mango. So you have to pick here to see Somu, it's ripe and juicy mango. 6 number, what will be Somu's own place to paint? What will be Somu's own place to paint? Okay. 8 number, Somu's room, the Somu's tree benches, and C number, a tree house. So what will be Somu's own place to paint? A number, Somu's room. B number, the trees branches, and C number, a tree house, which is the right answer. Okay. So just we have to a tree house. Here we have to think. Okay. C number, a tree house. Okay. So write all the numbers 5 to 6 number. Okay. Then you have to do question answer. See the blackboard properly. All the number you have to write. Okay. Okay. See the blackboard. Answer this question. Okay. We have to do question answer. So see the blackboard properly and understand all the sentence or the question answer. Okay. And write all the numbers. Answer this question. When did Somu's mother gift him the plant? When did Somu's mother gift him the plant? सोमू का माँ जो है प्लांट को क्या गिफ्ट किया? ठीक है. Somu's mother gifted him the plant on his 8th birthday. कब गिफ्ट किए थे? 8th बर्थडे में सोमू को अपनी माँ जो है गिफ्ट किए थे. ठीक है. जो प्लांट उसको. ठीक है. So 2 number, what will Somu do when the wind blows? What will Somu do when the wind blows? Somu क्या कहता है जब wind blow हो रहा है? When the wind blows, Somu will tie a swing on the branches of the tree. Okay? वो जो है जैसे झूलते हैं ऐसे हिल रहा है, स्विंग कर रहा है. ठीक है. ब्रांचेस में, पेड़ का ब्रांचेस में वो हिल रहा है. ठीक. What will Somu do when the wind blows? The answer is when wind blows, Somu will tie and swing on the branches of the tree. Okay. So 1 number and 2 number you have to write quickly. Okay. And you have to do another number, write another number, see the blackboards. Okay. And write all the numbers. What made the plant as proud as a tree could be? Okay. What made the plant as proud as tree could be? The answer is the plant was as proud as a tree could be when Somu drew its picture and named its my mother gift. Okay. जो प्लांट क्यों प्राउड कर रहा है सोमू के ऊपर या सोमू जो है प्लांट के ऊपर? क्योंकि सोमू जो है उसको एक पिक्चर से ड्रॉ किया हुआ है और उसका नाम जो लिखा हुआ है इट्स माय मदर गिफ्ट. ये मेरा मम्मी का गिफ्ट है, यानी कि मम्मी का दिया हुआ है. ठीक है. सो 3rd number, just this again I have to replay. Okay. Just understand it. What makes the plant as proud as a tree could be? The answer is the plant was as proud as a tree could be when Somu drew its picture and named its my mother gift. Okay. So just need to write 3rd number. Then 4th number, what does Somu want to be when he grows up? What does Somu wants to be when he grows up? सोमू जब बड़ा हो जाएगा वो क्या अपना भाव या इच्छा प्रकट करता है. What does Somu want to be when he grows up? जब बड़ा हो जाएगा. Answer is Somu wants to be an artist when he grows up. सोमू जो है बड़ा होकर आर्टिस्ट बनना चाहता है. Somu wants to be an artist when he grows up. Okay. So 3rd number and 4th number you have to write in your copy. Okay. Then you have to write 5 number. Okay. So see the blackboard. So let's see the blackboard. 5 number. Who will the plant invite to visit Somu? Who will the plant invite to visit Somu? Answer is the plant will invite many birds टू विजिट सोमो। तो यहाँ पे कौन इनवाइट किया है सोमो को देखने के लिए? सो द प्लान विल इनवाइट मेनी बर्ड्स टू विजिट सोमो। ओके, प्लान जो है इनवाइट किया है बहुत सारे बर्ड्स को सोमो को देखने के लिए या विजिट करने के लिए। ठीक है, सो 5 number also completed. So write down all the numbers. Do not leave anyone's. Okay, do not leave anyone's number. Write all the numbers. Okay, then we have to do another number. See the blackboard. Okay, let's see page number 30. Okay, what does the plant want to do for Somo during summer, winter, rains? Write answer in the one lines each. Okay, यहाँ पे आप लोग one line का लिखना पड़ेगा। ठीक है, देखो see the picture. ये वो आपका समर सीजन है, ये है आपका विंटर सीजन, ये है आपका रेनी। ठीक है, तो तीनों जो है मैं यहाँ पे ब्लैक बोर्ड में लिख दिया। ठीक है, जस्ट सी द ब्लैक बोर्ड। फर्स्ट नंबर, इन समर इट विल गिव हिम शेड। हमें पेड़ जो है क्या देती है? शेड, यानी कि छांव। ठीक है, इन समर इट विल गिव हिम शेड, छांव देती है। ठीक है, देन नंबर 2, in winters it will shed its leaves so he may soak in sunlight. Okay, winter में भी ये जो है छांव देती है और सनलाइट भी उससे आ जाता है। Then third number, in the rains it will give him shelter. ये हमें रहने का, जैसे बारिश हो गया तो वहाँ पेड़ के नीचे हम लोग छुप सकते हैं या रह सकते हैं। ठीक है, so it will give him shelter. So just you have to write 1, 2, 3 numbers in your book. Okay. First, in summer it will give him a shade. Second number, in winters it will shed its leaves so he may soak the sunlight. And third number, in the rains it will give him shelter. Okay. So write all the numbers in your copy or in your book also. Okay. Okay. Next student, here is the letter in the following words. You see the book page number 36 and 37. Okay, 36 and 37. And here is the letter, the following words. So first number S-O-R-E. So we have to rearrange here rose, R-O-S-E, rose. Okay. Then 2 number clay. So here L-E-A, leaf. Okay. You have to write leaf. Third number torso. So just we have to rearrange and the words is roots, R-O-O-T-S, roots. Then fourth number, L-A-M-P, lamp. So we have to rearrange and making the words P-A-L-M, palm. Okay. Then 5 number, H-E-R-T, heart. Then we have to rearrange the letter E-A-R-T-H, art. Okay, art मतलब पृथ्वी. Okay. So we have to write 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 numbers. Okay. Rearrange the letter, then write in your copy properly. Okay. Then you have to do another step. Okay, dear student, look at the picture here in your book. Okay, what the people in this picture doing? Look at this picture and fill in the blanks. Okay. Here 1, 2, 3 and 4 picture here. You have to see and see the blackboard also. Look at this picture and fill in the blanks. Okay, 1 number, my mother cooks dinner on Friday. Here we have to fill up cooks. Okay. Then 2 number, the baby sleeps in coat. Okay, baby sleeps in coat. Here we have to fill up cook sleeps. Then third number, Bina drinks tomato soup. Drinks. We have to fill up drinks tomato soup. Then fourth number, Raman plays games for an hour every day. रमन जो है 1 घंटा डेली जो है अपना गेम खेलता है, कुछ भी क्रिकेट, फुटबॉल या रनिंग करेगा या फिर कुछ खेल लेता है। ठीक है, सो 1, 2, 3, 4th number completed. First number you have to fill up books, second sleeps, third number drinks, fourth number plays. Okay, so write all the numbers, then we have to do another number. Okay, so be ready and see the blackboard. Okay, dear students, see the blackboard. Circle the correct doing words or verb to complete this sentence. Okay, here it's very easy, not difficult. So see the properly on blackboard. The boys swim in the pond. Okay, Get the two options, swim and run. So the boys swim in the pool. Okay. Then 2 number, the children sit on chair in school. Here is the 2 option also. So we have to pick one. Okay. Or circle also. We have to circle. Or tick here. Sit on chairs in school. Then we laugh. We laugh when mother tell us funny story. हमें बहुत ही हंसी आता है जब मम्मी जो है अच्छा फनी स्टोरी जो सुनाते हैं. ठीक है. 4th number, grandmother walks. Here walks very slowly. Okay. बहुत slowly चलते हैं grandmother. ठीक है. जब उनका एज हो जाता है तब तो grandmother लोग जो है slowly ही चलते हैं. ठीक है. Then 4th number, the ball rolls. Here we have to circle it. The balls across rolls across the floor. Okay, the balls rolls across the floors. Okay, so 1 number, 2 number, 3 number, 4th number you have to write in your copy all the numbers properly. Okay, first number swing, you have to circle. Then 2 number sit. Then 3rd number laugh. 4th number walks. And 5 number rules. We have to circle it and write all the numbers. Okay. Then you have to do at the last. Okay. Okay. Then last number, fill in the blanks by choosing the correct words. Correct answer. Okay. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct answer. So first number, the dog. Okay. Here we have to write in this place. In the blanks. Okay. The dog played to the tree. Okay. So first number completed. The dog played to the tree. We have to point out dog and write here dog. Okay. Then 2 number, can I have some ice cream please? So we have to pick some. Here we have to write some. Okay. The sentence is completed. Can I have some ice cream please? Then 3 number, I invite my friend to come to the park. Okay. So we have to point out come and write here come. Then sentence is completed. I invited my friend to come to the park. Okay. Then 4th number, bears love to eat what? Honey. Okay. Here you have to write honey and take the honey. Okay. Bears love to eat honey, not money. Okay. 2 options is there, money and honey. So we have to take honey and write honey. Then sentence is completed. So 1 to 4th number write. Then we have to write another number, see the blackboard. Okay. Then see the blackboard. 5 number, the gardener used a saw. Here you have to shovel to dig the soil. Okay. Using shovel. Okay, 5 number using shovel. The gardener used a shovel to dig the soil. Okay, gardener जो है मिट्टी खोदने के लिए गड्ढा खोदने के लिए shovel का यूज करते हैं. ठीक है. Then 6 number, I have to go for an appointment with the dentist on monthly होगा Monday. On Monday. Here you have to write Monday. The correct words and sentence is completed. I have to go for an appointment with a dentist on Monday. Then 7 number, do pandas eat any food other than bamboo leaves? Okay. Do pandas eat any food other? Here not over. Okay. Others we have to take others or right here others. Then bamboo leaves. Okay. Then 8 number, there are 12 pieces in 1 dozen. You know, एक डजन में कितना पीस रहता है? 12. Okay. So we have to write dozen here. 1 dozen and click here. Okay. So there are 12 pieces in 1 dozen. Okay. So 1 to 8 number you have to complete it. And I hope you all numbers write positively and understand all the numbers question answer. So today we have to complete chapter 4 exercises English reader. Okay. So dear student, again I repeat it. I hope you all are write all the numbers question answer, okay, and understand all the numbers. So you have write all the numbers, listening and speaking also. Here see the picture, page number 39. Listening and speaking, it's your work in your home, do yourself. If you don't know, then you have to contact me, okay, then I will give you a answer, okay. So listening and speaking, it's your work, okay. So thank you for seeing our video lesson, and subscribe our channel Gyanjyoti online classes, okay. So thank you very much for seeing our video lesson.